In today's video, we'll discuss why your Chromecast has a blinking white light and how to fix it. When your Chromecast device blinks white and isn't getting a signal, it means it has disconnected. This blinking is normal for a new Chromecast that hasn't been set up yet. However, if your Chromecast has been in use and suddenly starts blinking white with no signal, follow these steps. First, try plugging the Chromecast into a different HDMI port on your television, as the issue could be with the current port. If switching ports doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to reboot your Wi-Fi router and modem. Unplug both devices from their power sources, wait for a minute, and then plug them back in. Allow them to re-establish network connections and check if your Chromecast regains the signal. If these steps don't work, your last resort is to factory reset the Chromecast. This will revert the Chromecast to its default settings and should clear the issue. To do this, ensure the Chromecast is powered on, locate the reset button on the back of the device, and press it until it blinks yellow. Release the button when you see a solid white light. This process should resolve the no signal issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.